Hey hello all business person, nice to meet you through this video. Welcome back to Om Sai Ram Associates. This is Government of India approved company for tax preparation service. We are doing goods and service tax, GST, registration and return filing, income tax return filing, food license FSSAI registration, MSME registration, private limited company, LLP registration, trust registration, trademark registration, ISO registration, accounts finalization and import-export code, IEC, related services for exporter and also digital signature certificate, DSC, for GST, IEC, MCA and income tax. GST registration. Goods and Service Tax, GST, registration is mandatory for those who crossed the threshold limits of 40 lakh rupees for goods sector and 20 lakh rupees for service sector, and also sales or service to interstate is mandatory for GST registration. All business persons who sales to e-commerce is mandatory for GST registration. GST return filing. All GST registered person is mandatory to file their purchase and sales return every month or quarterly on the basis of who opted in the GST portal. If not filed, the taxpayer may be liable to pay fine and penalties. The taxpayer should maintain their purchase and sales details properly from the date of liability of GST registration certificate, RC. Import-export code. A person or company may sell their product, service to another country. Import-export code, IEC, is mandatory. All the exporter, importer mandatory to register import-export code. MSME. Every business person may register for MSME or Udyam registration, whether small or medium or large-scale industries, to register to get more benefits from the government. PAN card. All Indians who have citizenship in India are eligible to apply for a PAN card or permanent account number. All the taxpayer and income tax filer must have a PAN card. Income tax return filing. Income tax is a tax to impose salaried individuals and business persons who cross the limit every year. The government announced annual income or profit from the different slab rate. This is also called direct tax. Salaried person files income tax return 1. Business person may file income tax return 3 or income tax return 4 based on business. Food license, FSSAI. Registration. Every food business operator is mandatory to register Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. Whether the food business operator is small or big, FSSAI registration or state license or central license is mandatory on the basis of production or turnover or business. Digital Signature Certificate, DSC. Digital Signature Certificate, DSC, Class 3 for 2 years validity. This Digital Signature Certificate, DSC, is applicable for GST, Import-Export Code, Company Incorporation and also income tax. Thanks for watching.